What's up guys, JTech here. This will be a quick video on Main City. Let's get into it. Now that Loaded Lines Main City is out and ready for us to jump in and play, I want to have a quick and easy guide for newcomers on how to get started and what you need. If you want a quick refresh on what Main City is, I have a quick video on my channel for just that. Okay, first thing you need is a Crypto.com Land, the First Frontier NFT. I'll go through quickly on how to purchase one on both the mobile version and the web version of Crypto.com NFT. If you do not already have a Crypto.com NFT account, I also already have a video on my channel for what it is and how to create an account. So once you're signed into Crypto.com NFT, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the search bar here. We're going to search for Crypto.com Land. And we're going to click this one here, Crypto.com Land, the First Frontier. And we're going to find up to you on what type of land you want. There's 5 different rarities. Starter, which currently is going for $63. Got rare going for $115. Got epic going for $305. Legendary $730. And lastly, we have mythical going for $3,131. So I think I'm going to purchase a rare land here. So I click on buy. Once you're on this page, you have 3 options. Your current Crypto.com NFT balance, which I currently do not have one, so I will not be using that option. However, that option would be available if you sold any of your NFTs, your balance would be there to use. The second option is to pay with a credit or debit card. My banks always flag Crypto.com as fraud, so I use option 3. I end up using my USDC balance off of my Crypto.com exchange app. If you end up using option 3, you will need to sign into your Crypto.com app and choose the Crypto.com pay option, which will pop up a camera to scan the QR code on screen. Okay, so I confirmed it on my phone, paying through the Crypto.com app, and there you go, look at that. Thank you for your order. Now, you just purchased this NFT, and we are able to use it for Main City. Now we can go to my profile, and we can see our newly purchased land right here. Okay, so that is how you purchase a land NFT off of the web marketplace. Let's go ahead and open the Crypto.com Exchange app. Once open, let's scroll down until we see the NFT area. We'll tap here. Once in, we'll tap where it says Crypto.com Land, the First Frontier. Then we will pick the land we want to purchase. Bottom of this page, we want to tap the blue button, Buy Now. And just like with my web purchase, I will be using USDC again. I have my account set up to whenever I purchase or sell, I need a 2FA code. So I'll put that in here. Then we'll wait for the purchase to go through. And there you go. Now we have our land NFT. Okay. Now that we own a Crypto.com Land, the First Frontier NFT, we either need to sign into an existing non-custodial wallet, whether it's the Crypto.com DeFi wallet web extension or the MetaMask extension. I already have a video showing step-by-step on how to create a MetaMask account and creating Crypto.com's DeFi wallet on mobile. So you can check either of those out, or I'm going to quickly show you how to install the Crypto.com DeFi extension. Then we link it with our Crypto.com NFT account. Okay, the next part of this tutorial, we'll need to download the Crypto.com DeFi wallet extension. We'll look for that here. We'll go ahead and add it to Brave. So we will go ahead and hit this puzzle piece. We'll pin it, and then we'll click on it. Click Get Started, and then Next, Next, Next. And then for Main City, we're going to choose Standalone Wallet Mode. And then we're going to do Create a New Wallet. Unless you already have one, then you're going to import your recovery phrase via this option here, but we're going to create a new one. We're going to click Got It. We're going to create a password. Once your password is in, we'll hit Create Wallet. Wallet 1 is fine unless you want to name it something else. Proceed. And then we'll do Next. Got to keep it safe. Next. Next again. What you want to do is you want to save this phrase. You want to write it down. Okay, so once you have it written down, what you want to do is you want to go proceed. And then you want to type in all your words here. Okay, once they're all in, go ahead and hit proceed. Then hit got it. Okay, now we have our Crypto.com DeFi non-custodial web extension wallet ready for our main city game. Now that we have our Crypto.com Land NFT and our Crypto.com DeFi wallet extension, let's search for Loaded Lines Main City. Go to Main City here. Main.city is the website. We'll go ahead and hit play now. Let this load. Once it's done loading, we'll click on the non-custodial wallet we've set up. So we did the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, but if you have MetaMask, go ahead and click that one. Click this one. Okay. And then we want to click allow. And then sign. And then we'll let it load some more. We need to confirm the terms. Okay. So now on our Crypto.com app, we need to open it up. You need to go to settings. In the settings, we need to click on the QR code scanner. And then we'll scan this QR code. Now that the QR code is scanned, the page will refresh and show us all of the NFTs that are available for the game. We will click next, and that will bring us to the tutorial for the game. And then we're good to go. Hopefully this video was informative and easy to understand. Any comments or questions, leave them down below. I have more main city content on the way. Don't forget to like, dislike, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.